We've been providing support to the recovery in Puerto Rico underneath the Natural and Cultural Resources Recovery Support Function, which includes a number of federal agencies that step in to assist in recovery actions. Some of the actions include identifying landscape issues that may be damaging historic properties. Also, we are looking at basic repair items such as resetting stones that may have fallen over, cleaning techniques for historic markers such as removing biological growth or rust stains or basic stains that occur. The training is being provided by the National Park Service's National Center for Preservation Technology and Training, located in Natchitoches, Louisiana. They are an amazing organization that provides incredible preservation training throughout the country. And through this partnership with the Department of Interior and FEMA, we're really excited and happy to have them providing this very professional training here.